Hi everyone, it's Andreas and welcome back to my channel. And so today we're going to be playing another app, and it is the Monkey Preschool when I grew up. So then how this will work is we will play together, and so yeah, and we will be playing, and then we will do all the outfits for each of the gingers. We may not do all of them, but I'm sure you know what it looks like. So let's play Monkey Preschool when I grow up. It's distributed by Thump. Alright, let's let it load. Alright, here we go. Milo. Let's see. Pirate. Let's see which one's the pirate. This one. Pirate. Which is the pirate one? This one. Pirate. Yeah. Pirate. Ooh. Why not? Let's do this one. Zuzu. The pink one. Dancer. The dancer. Just a PS, everyone will be going 2 times, so just wanted to let you know. Dancer. Oh, sorry. There you go. Dancer. Alright, let's play. Okay. Jasper. Construction worker, builder. Which one's the builder one? No, that's the farmer. Builder. There we go. Bulldozer. Here we go. Cool. Alright, here we go. Let's play some more. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Okay, so that's more like it. Milo. Police officer. Police. Here we go. Okay. Zuzu. Princess. Oh, sorry. Princess. Princess. Oh yeah. Jasper.
What do you want to be when you grow up? Pick up.
Alright. Let's go. Santa's helper.
Santa's helper. Now pick a top. Santa's helper. Now pick a bottom. Diver.
No, Santa.
Santa's helper.
Go.
Santa's helper.
Alright. The reindeer is probably my favorite.
Principal. Great job. You won me Santa's helper stickers.
Alright, and then it looks like we're gonna be calling it a day. And so, yeah, thank you for watching and all the support you've done to my channel. Everyone, bye.